bring you, or I bring you some video, travel video from Madeira. This is an island which is located in Atlantic Ocean. They call it Pearl of Atlantic Ocean, and they call it as well Never-Ending Spring Island. So it have many names. So right now we are located in northeast of the island. It's called Porto da Cruz. This is the parking place. It's actually a free parking place right beside a restaurant, and so nearby you have as well bus station, and it actually has a beautiful mountains and views and everything. So I will take you right now to the beach. You can have here is a bar as well. There is a terrace. You can drink the coffee and everything. The prices are coffee for example is cost 50 cents, one beer maybe €1, something like this, and then you can have a food. So in this beach, which we are approaching actually, is right beside the parking place, and it's very popular because they teach here surfing. So it's a huge beach, and actually has some sand and stones. So here the water is a little bit wild, not that much, and they usually do the training of the surfing. So is everything so close, because this is a small place, so you can have everything here. There is a small road that goes around the place, so you can find different ones. I will show you this later. So now we are going. Now you can see the ocean as well from here. It's actually quite amazing. Beautiful. And this is everything from Volcanic. As you can see, that's the layers. How the island, because this island was created from lava from volcano, so it's actually, you can see the layers. So we are going a little bit away from the beach. There is still the parking place, the area, and this here in front of us is actually Casa de Room. So that means they produce the rum here from the sugarcane, and they do it here, and they actually let you in so you can have a look and see how is it made, how hard is the job, and actually you can taste it. And there beside, as you can see, the small house bite, we will go beside, is as well, you can buy their stuff. So when this is the road where I was talking, you can go around and come to the different side of the island. The entrance is completely free, and you can have a look. They have the barrels and everything. And here's shown how is it made. See? It's quite big. Here's some old motor from it. And So this is in Porto da Cruz, the museum, or not the museum, it's actually the factory they produce the rum. And there you can see how beautiful is it. It's actually, maybe some places are still cold, but here is already warm, so people are already swimming. And this big house in front of you, it's a place where you can rent the place, because it's for surfers. It's like a hostel or something, and you can rent the place there, and you can actually as well learn the stuff about the surfing. So they give you everything, accommodation and teaching. I will put in description the link for the surfing. And so now and there is the road there across is actually going part to the old town or city center, because this is a small village. And this one, I will come closer. I'm not sure if they are open, maybe not now, but this is the best restaurant in Porto da Cruz, which I highly recommend it. They are closed on Mondays, yeah, but they have here fish, meat, drinks and everything, and they are always packed full, so I highly recommend it. Snack bar at Penha. It's really the best place here. And this direction, then you will continue to approach to the bar. There are swimming pools, and of course in summer they are paid, you have to pay for them, but then during the after the season they are for free and you can still use them. So, and actually they're up, and actually they're up. You can come here with a car, because the parking place that I show you, that is already for free. And when you walk up this road, there is a bus stop, and the bus, you can get it from Funchal directly to Porto da Cruz. So for the people who doesn't have the driver license or will not renting the cars, so they can come here directly with the bus. So, but and it's easy connection from Funchal. I'm not sure about the price, you can check it online and see how much is the prices, but you can buy the tickets directly in the bus by the driver, and he will speak all English. Thank you. So piscina, it means Portuguese pools. So you can go this direction. Actually this is the direction what I show you. There is the restaurant what I was talking about. That is the best restaurant. So you can, behind is the park place, so you can just direction here and you see piscina. And here is our more as well, here are more as well the restaurants, and you can go this way. This is the back road, it's maybe short way. And you see already the beach there. But on this side it's the beach, the sea, the ocean is more wild. And it's only rocks. Here in Madeira we have few beach with sand, and few we have more we have with the rocks, so the ocean is more clear and clean. So here is the area. So there is the beach, there are restaurants, and this is actually the hotel, I think, as well. Yes. So mountains, you can see there are small houses, and here this is actually the swimming pools. It's actually amazing, those swimming pools, because the ocean came from this side and it's jumping all over, so it brings the ocean water inside of the pools. It's ocean water, it's a salty water, so it's not chlor or anything, you know. And it's paid during the season, but it's not expensive, maybe 1 or 2 euros per adult. So you can still enjoy it. Or you can go here for the beach. And there is another restaurant as well. So this is nice old place, old city, located on the northeast Madeira.